Hi everyone. Today we'll be taking a look at a best WCS1 wall-mounted chimney hood. And what we're going to look at today is how to get at the inside of this unit if you ever had to change the user interface or the LED lighting. The first thing to do is always make sure the power is turned off. Anytime you're going in to clean the inside or work on it to service it, please turn off the power. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the two filters, and you do that by sticking your finger in the round hole here, and basically you're going to put pressure on it. You're going to push to the back if this were mounted. If you take a look, and this front will slide on down. You're going to do that same thing with the right side. Push to the back, drop the front down. Next, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be removing the two trim pieces on the left and right side of the unit. And you do that by just grabbing it. And this is held in by that same spring that was holding that filter. If you push to the back, the front will drop down as well. Same thing with the right side. Next thing what you would do is you can unplug this unit. This is a quick connect. You just kind of push on the tab, pull downward, and now that motor is disconnected. There's a few set of screws that we're going to remove. There's going to be two on the left, two on the right. We're going to have the electrical box we're going to pull out, and then there's two more screws. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start removing these screws here. That's two on the left. I'm getting the two on the right. And one more. Next screws that we'll take out, again, we took two on the left, two on the right. Now we're going to remove this electrical box cover, and there's one screw. And these are all Phillips head screw. They're all standard. We're going to remove that. And out comes the electrical box. There's another plug underneath. And again, that's a quick connect. It's a black and white wire. You're just going to squeeze it and pull down. Now we have two more screws that we're going to be removing. There's one here and one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Go ahead and get this other one. Now that those screws are out, this whole panel will come down. Just like so. There's tabs at the top. Those tabs just kind of lock into place. Just like so. And now you have access to everything inside this unit. You have the circuit board. Everything is quick connect. The LED lights, they're just pinch clips. Just pinch them and they'll pop out straight down. Same thing with the switch assembly. Everything is pretty simple. So I hope this video helps. Thanks.